Hello guys, welcome to Lead Electrical Academy. Today I will discuss the single phase control DC converter for separately excited DC motor drives. So single phase controlled converter, single phase controlled converter for separately excited DC motor drives, for separately excited DC motor drives. So these we will discuss in today's class. So these controlled DC drives are classified into two types. Controlled DC drives are classified into controlled DC drives are classified into two types. First one, single phase systems, as well as three-phase systems. So depending upon the operation, these DC drives are again single phase systems are again classified into two types. Single phase AC systems are classified into two types. First one, single phase semi-controlled DC drives, as well as second one, single phase fully controlled DC drives. Single phase semi-controlled DC drives as well as fully controlled DC drives. So we will see one by one. Again, these single phase, in this single phase also, single phase semi-controlled DC drives are further divided into two groups of DC drives. First one, separately excited semi-controlled DC drive, and second one, series excited semi-controlled DC drive. This is of semi-controlled drives. Again, fully controlled drives also classified into two types. So single phase fully controlled fully controlled DC drives are again classified into two types. They are, first one, single phase separately excited fully controlled DC drive. And second one, single phase series excited fully controlled DC drive. So these are the classifications of single phase fully controlled DC drive as well as single phase semi controlled DC drive.
Like, subscribe
to Lead Electrical Academy.
లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి టు లీడ్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ అకాడమీ.